Stop treating ads library like your creative team. Most brands, agencies use it wrong. They see a high performing ad, they replicate the format, and it fails. Then they blame the algorithm or the audience. But what really happened, they copied the creative but not the strategy. So when you see a high performing ad, brands spend months before that building the awareness, consistent messaging, creative testing, and by the time the ad is live, their audience is already aware about the brand and they trust them. You copied the same format, showed it to cold audience, same format, zero foundation. That's why it flopped. The winning ad did not work because of its format. But what came before? Audience familiarity, brand trust, and consistent messaging over month. You can't really copy that. Use ads library for competitive intelligence. Build your own strategy, understanding your customers. That's exactly what we do at Get Addict, by the way. We help brands find out what works before they scale.